Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bowen. I'm a registered dietitian and homemaker. Today I went by Costco. I did a lot of filming in store, so I'm gonna run all of those clips for you to show you what some of the really cool finds are right now during the spring season, some of the sales, and then I will show you all the things that I picked up today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will include prices and then also price per pound or per ounce so that you can compare to other stores to see where you're getting the best deal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. All right, let's roll the Costco clips. We're gonna start off with a few non-food items that I looked at today. So they have potting mix, 50 quarts for $9.99. That's a pretty good deal. I needed to grab 2 of these. If you're gardening in containers, make sure that you get potting mix, not raised bed soil. You want to get the raised bed soil when your plants have access to the ground, meaning that their roots could tap into the ground underneath. So the raised bed mix was $7.49 for 50 quarts. To save even more money, we purchase our raised bed soil in bulk at a local soil place, but maybe if you don't have that option, this would be one of the more affordable options to look into. Just make sure that you're using it in the ground or in raised beds. Up next, I noticed they had this organic dead weed brew by Captain Jack's. I've never used this in my garden because I've never had it like weeds, but I use it in rocks and just like around our house for killing weeds. The last non-food item I wanted to show are these organic sheet sets. So we do have a set of these. We bought them last year around May or June and they were $10 off. So they may hit a sale sometime soon, but we love these sheets. We love that they're organic and naturally dyed. They're super comfy. I am so excited that it's melon and berry season, so I picked up 2 cantaloupes today for $5.79. Of course, you know, if I go to Costco, I'm going to grab the carrots because they are such an awesome price. I went ahead and actually got 2 bags of these. Carrots last so long in the fridge, and we've been running out before I can make it back, so I'm going to grab 2. This is another awesome deal happening right now at Costco. It is the Teton Waters Ranch Polish beef sausage. It's 100% grass-fed. We really love these, so I grabbed 1 for now and 1 for the freezer. I didn't get any of these, but I thought they looked like a nice snack option if you like soft cheese, so I wanted to include it here. Up next, I grabbed 1 of these large coconut oils. I really wish that it was not packed in plastic. I prefer all oils to be packed in glass. I do feel that that's important. However, we do use a lot of coconut oil for our body and stuff like that, so I just went ahead and grabbed it at this good price. Sure what the price of it is at Azure, so I am going to look into that and see how it compares. I also grabbed 2 packs of the grass-fed butter. I love this butter. Up next, I grabbed a pack of the Siete almond flour tortillas. I don't normally buy things like this because I make my own sourdough and I make my own products like this, but every now and then it's nice to have some on hand that you don't have to make, so I'm going to keep these in the freezer and use them when, I don't have any of my own products made. They are lower in carb, 8 carbs per tortilla, so if you're watching your carb intake or looking for a lower glycemic option, these are definitely it. Another awesome snack item on sale are the Parm Crisps Everything Seasoning. So I have never had these with the Everything Seasoning. I'm really excited to try them. I went ahead and picked up 2. Whenever I see snack items on sale, I always grab 2 or 3 and just rotate through them because I'm saving quite a bit of money when I purchase them that way. I've been patiently waiting for the Archer beef mini sticks to go on sale and they haven't, so I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 today to restock our snack stash of those. A few of the things that I forgot to show when I was in the store is the avocado oil mayonnaise. We love this for making ranch dressing or spinach dip, things like that, which we do a lot more of in the summer. I also grabbed a pack of the chunk chicken breast. It works out to be about $3 a pound. It has gone up in price a lot. I like to just have this in the pantry as kind of a backup food for lunches or an emergency. So these are good, but they are definitely going up in price. I also grabbed a big pack of the spinach. I like to do more cooking with this, so going through that amount is pretty easy when you cook because it shrivels down to nothing. But I'm probably going to make some spinach dip with this to have as a snack over the next couple of weeks.